So what is the best rain gear for your bug out bag? That's what I want to talk about today. Stay tuned. Hello friends and family, thanks for checking in. For anyone new here, my name is Russell Liston, and I'm here to help you as you prepare every needful thing. This video is part of my clothing system for my bug out bag. If you're interested in seeing the whole system, please check out those other videos. So what is the best rain gear for your bug out bag? Obviously, everybody's going to have a different opinion on this subject, but for me, it just had to meet a few criteria. First, I need it to be a one-size-fits-all. I don't want my kids to be able to grow out of it. Second, I need it to block the rain, wind, and snow and provide good protection from the elements. Third, I need it to breathe or vent. I don't want to get soaked from the inside out like most rain suits. If you've ever experienced that, it's no fun. And finally, I know you get what you pay for, but I still don't want to spend a lot of money on this. Rain gear, or the shell layer, is the outer layer of your clothing system. Its purpose is to protect you from the elements, whatever they might be. Okay, so what's my system? There are two parts, the top and the bottom. The top is a poncho. I chose a poncho because it met my criteria. They are one size fits all. They help block the rain, snow, and wind. They allow air to circulate to keep you dry, and yes, they are cheap. For the longest time, I just had the simple plastic rain poncho in my kit, but recently I changed to the Mylar rain poncho. The bonus of the Mylar poncho are the heat reflective qualities, and also they are stronger and easier to reuse. I am so glad that some smart person combined a plastic poncho and an emergency space blanket. What a great idea. Thank you, inventive person. I've tried out a few of the brands and they all seem pretty similar. The more expensive SOL brand has taken the time to reinforce their seams with tape, so I guess if you buy the less expensive brand and the seams start to fail, I guess you just put some tape on it. Also, they really are reusable. I haven't been able to fold them up small enough to get them back into the original packaging, but I have been able to fold them up pretty small to get them into a small Ziploc bag. The poncho may be all that you need, but if you want extra protection, this rain skirt is a simple solution for the bottom half. I know what you're saying, it's just a garbage bag, and you're right, but we have transformed it into part of our rain gear system. I know that it's not very impressive, but it meets my criteria. It's one size fits all. It stops the rain, the snow, and the wind. It allows air to circulate to keep you dry, and it's oh so cheap. The easiest way to make this is to buy a garbage bag with a pull tie built into it. I'm using the hefty 33-gallon style, but any variety should work. All you have to do is cut along the bottom to allow your legs through, and you're good to go. To make it more convenient in tying, add some cord locks to the pull strings. This will make it much easier to work with. And that's it, rain gear for your bug out bag. Combine this with your insulation layer and you have a very versatile system. Today's assignment is to evaluate the rain gear in your bug out bag. If you have a system that works, that's awesome. If you don't, I'd like to invite you to give this one a try. Today's thought is by Stephen Cyrus. He said, "Remember when disaster strikes, the time to prepare has ended." Thanks, Stephen. If you like this video, please let me know by clicking that thumbs up button, and if you still haven't subscribed, please do. Once again, I would like to thank you for your time, and may God bless you as you prepare every needful thing. Thank you.